So I haven't done an update in a while or any electronics videos, so hopefully you'll forgive this non-electronics video. I thought I'd show you something interesting. So I'm out of breath and currently demolishing a fireplace. So I'll give you a better look in a second. But I found some interesting bricks and I was hoping that someone might know what they are. And yeah, I did ding myself. Yeah, some interesting bricks coming out, which is cool. And I think perhaps they're just part of the old fireplace.
So I'm having to wear this this breathing mask thing. Here you go. Because there's a lot of dust in the air. You can't really see it. Well, I guess you can sort of see it. But I've been pulling out some bits of brick. Hopefully you can hear me. I'm not even sure. But this one looks to be cut on this side. And this was shoved behind the fireplace. Here you can see lots of sort of rubbish. And it looks like it was potentially part of the stone half, maybe, in a previous iteration of this fireplace. But there are also these bricks here, which I think are kind of interesting. I can't quite tell what they are, but they've got this kind of marking here. Both of these bricks seem to have something similar. I can't tell what it is, and there are numbers, which could be a 66 or a 99. But I think it's 99. These two don't fit together. I've got an 18 here. So I've not got a clue what they are, but it's one of these old tile fireplaces. Let's see if we've got any tiles around I can show you. Oh, here we go. So that's what it looked like. Not very nice, well, not by today's standards. So what I plan to do, I can probably take this off now, hang on.
God, it's still dusty in here. What I plan to do is just board it up for the meantime, really, just to get the house looking better. I was slightly concerned that all of those bricks didn't have a lintel and they might all come tumbling down. I think some of them will come tumbling down, but there is a fireplace arch here. Seen better days, but I'm fairly certain that it's under compression, so it'll be fine. Bricks don't use the mortar to stay together. That's literally just to make the gaps a bit smaller. This bit sort of concerns me, but the weight around this fireplace isn't just distributed through that arch, but it is there to support it, so I'm hopeful it's fine. There's no cellar beneath me, so if anything happens, then it won't be the end of the world. Yeah, so that's it. I've started to do that side to take those bits out. This is some kind of concrete mess. It's annoying. And then I'll move on to this side. It's not going to be completed today because it's 5:30, I think. And I want to go to the pub. Anyway, that's just like a super quick update of the fireplace. God, my hands are shaking. I think it's because I've done some exercise. Exercise, I mean, like whacking the fireplace. Anyway, very short update. I've got a plasterer coming on Tuesday, which is great, and that means my nerd room will be getting there. Just need to sort flooring. I'm going to do the skirting boards, so I need to buy like a saw or something, like a mitre saw maybe, or like one of those table saws or something, because well, I told you before, I've run out of money, so I need to basically do loads of it myself. Like the fire, I can board that over myself, I'm sure, and stick a vent in it or something. For the meantime, eventually I'd like to get another fireplace, but who knows when that will happen. Anyway, I miss doing electronics, so I can't wait for the nerd room to be back up and running. Stop touching your face, David, with dirty gloves. I've got a few projects in mind for the house, so I'd love to put like temperature sensors all over. Probably running off the like NRF 24L01, or maybe even just do Wi-Fi ones. But battery power will be better on the NRF 24L01, I think. It depends, really. I don't know. I'll stop. So shaky. Sorry. Anyway, whatever. Well, I'll do another little update when I've got the plastering done, a little bit of plastering done. And if I find anything else exciting, we're going to do some clearing of the basement. And I think there are some very old newspapers down there. In fact, talking of old newspapers. Oh God, there's just a glove. Uh-oh. Oh no, here it is. This newspaper. Let's see. I'll show you. So this newspaper that I found is from January the 13th, 1944. And it is a local newspaper, the Leicester Mercury. So some pretty cool stuff to find. All right, I think that is it for today. It was only meant to be a very short update, so hopefully you didn't mind. Oh, filming yourself on a phone is hard. All right, I'll do another update at some point. Bye.